Lulus just dropped an Italian summer-inspired collection, and you know I had to try it, and of course bring you along the way. Let's see if any of these looks can make it into your luggage this summer together. This is Rosie, and welcome to my channel, The Stylish Sicilian. Welcome or welcome back. As always, my measurements will be in the description box below to help with your own size referencing, and if you like anything you see in today's video, I will also link it for you below to shop. And I do get a tiny commission of the sale, which helps with my content creator life, which is always appreciated. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me out more than you even know. All right, let's start. All right, we have our first look. Both pieces are $39. The top is a small and the bottoms are medium. Now, if you see it, you'll know exactly why I got it. I'm always talking about pasta problems, so why not get it in a skirt? Oh my gosh. I wish it was a skirt though, but that's just my personal preference. But let me show you this look a little bit better. So actually, I sized perfectly. It was a little bit of a struggle to get into the top, but once we got there, we're doing great. So all these buttons do actually have a function to it, and you can also adjust this tie. Adjustable straps, can you see it? It's actually really cute. I wasn't really feeling this shirt online, but I saw it together and I thought this has to go. Now the skirt. The skirt! Are you kidding me? I love this. This is like my love language. Let me bring you down to the bottom. Are we kidding? I want this to be my entire personality. I love this. I just don't really find myself wearing skirts very often, but I do love a good skirt. So I kind of wish it was like that, but it's not terrible. The size is great. I'm glad I went with the medium. It does have a zip on the side. See, it is double lined, as you can tell. This is great. Honestly, this almost makes me want to go ahead and start doing skirts again. Mini skirts, I should say. Love this. Guys, get me like everything I can possibly find in this print. Also, can I get a tablecloth? Because I feel like this would be a perfect tablecloth. What do we think? Is this too much Italian, or like, no, honey, we need more? Let me know. Comment. I need your thoughts. But this outfit, Lulus is always a good one for me. If you've been with me maybe since the beginning, it was one of the first videos I've ever done because I truly love Lulus. I always go back to them time and time again when I feel like I need something. So it's always should be like in your radar, on the rotation, on the roster when you need to shop for something, especially vacation, occasion wear. Yeah. Okay guys, this is a keep. Love it. True to size. Perfetto. Let's get it. Also, I want to shout out these shoes. These are from Target. I don't remember the price, but if they're still available, I will link them. I have this in white and another in black that says ciao. These will just complete your look for every outfit this summer. And yes, I mean, I don't know. This summer is like the summer of Italian nostalgia, and I love it. I can't get enough of it. On to the next. All right, so we have this top, which is $29 size small, and the pants that are $49 size small. Let's talk about them. Really comfy top, very soft. I know sometimes we really don't want like a dress on vacation, but we want some like loose pants. So I actually didn't want to steam these so you guys could see the actual condition. I feel like this is always going to be a pain, these type of materials, but I feel like it's what you get. It's really cute though. I feel like I wouldn't mind it because it's not terrible to me. I actually feel like I want to start going into this direction myself. Super loose, super breathable, very comfy, and I'll show you the prints a little bit better. I love it. I'm sorry, but you know, if you're not feeling this, you came to the wrong channel. I mean, it's called The Stylish Sicilian for a reason. I feel like this is my summer. Too bad I'm not going to Italy. I wish, but perfect on the size. I actually adore this. It's so cute. I love this top. Honestly, this top would even be cute with like the pasta skirt, but we're feeling it. We're feeling it. What do you think? And I think these are really cute too. These little beads. What a fun touch. I feel like I kind of would have preferred maybe like a different print, but I can get behind this still. Maybe like a solid shirt. That would be for me. I love this. I don't think for me it's a keep. I mean, the shirt might be because I'm always a sucker for a tee. But what do you think? Drop your thoughts below. I'm super duper curious. Last looks. Here you go. Next, we have two pieces, each small, each $49. And let's talk about it. Okay, Rosie has still not accepted that she is a medium on the bottom more times than others. So, but we also need to kind of gauge. The last skirt that we tried on was a medium, perfect sizing. This one's a little tight. So I think for me, I'm a 4'6", leaning more 6 these days, pasta problems. So for me, medium would be a big choice, like a better choice. The top is actually perfect. I love it. Actually, this is not something I would ever gravitate towards, but I was trying to think, what would you want to see? what are the options here that everybody's looking at? Why are these always trending? And I'm sort of like now being exposed to all these different ways of dressing. This is cute, actually. I really never would think that I would like this top. This is a really nice set. Again, for me, I love a skirt. I wish we had more skirts in the world because I want to dress like this, but with my kids, I'm constantly bending. There's no way. You know what I'm saying? But the material's really nice. It's not something you really need to steam or anything or iron, so that's kind of great when you're traveling. You put it in your luggage, it can come right out. There's nothing else you need to do. So really good. It's a very stretchy band, so you can kind of like, if you're unsure where you are at with your size, you know, there's that at least to kind of as a backup. This one, I actually thought you would see a little bit more. Just put the string. I tied it so tight that you can't even see anything underneath. So if you're like me, maybe you don't mind doing it like this with a bra or something underneath, but I know that even like a bodysuit would look good or some kind of like crop top. That works too. Okay, I've also been on the search this summer for the perfect straw bag, and I'm just starting. So I got this one. I actually love it. It is $49. Let me double check. Yes, $49. And I love this. I don't know. It's just the shape of it. Everything. I honestly wish, I was actually debating keeping it and embroidering on it something in black, like andiamo, because why not? I don't know. I feel like everything says ciao. So, but we don't see a lot of andiamo. And that's my energy usually. Like, let's go. That's what it means, by the way. So I love this. What do you guys think? This bag, I usually never buy bags like this. I'm kind of a collector of bags. I don't really overbuy on my bags. I kind of get my pieces, and those are the ones I wear forever and ever and ever. But I kind of think I need to start branching out for like summer would be a nice way to start. I love this. This is great. Keep. It's so much room. It's very simple. You can see. So cute, guys. Come on. This is adorable. Honestly, it's not bad in construction. It's thin, but well made, it feels. I mean, obviously, it's just a bag from Lulus. It's not Louis Vuitton here, but I like it, and it's good size. I feel like I could store some snacks in there, too. I wish I had like a clip, maybe to close it up, but this is an this whole look is such a keep. You're gonna love it, and you will not regret it. All right, we have one that's actually from Show Me Your Moo that I didn't even realize I purchased, but it was from Lulus. So the skirt's 178, size small, and the top is 118, also size small, and I think I'm in love. Oh boy, look at that. That's so cute. All right, the top is a little like small band-wise, so we kind of had to go braless, but actually, I feel like it's doing a good job because really, there's not even padding, and it feels fantastic. So let me show you the look. I'm obsessed with colors like these. I feel like winter, I'm always in black, so I'm like, get me color. I want color, make my life happy, you know, just rainbow it up. This is stunning. Sizing is great. Holy moly on price. I just can't, guys. You would have to love this forever. For me, as much as I love something, I don't think I'd love it that much. I would probably just rent this because really, how many times would I wear it? Unless I stay this size forever, which I would like to try. But here we are. So it's got a nice stretchy band on both the bandeau, and it has adjustable straps. Has like I said, stretchy here. So you got some wiggle room when you're on your vacation, eating away. Just eating, because you should be. Just eat everything you find when you're somewhere new. Like, that's the best way to travel, is taste the culture. Try and get my kids to do that, but here we are, still with chicken nuggets on a beige diet. We'll get there. But oh my god, I don't want to take this off. Are you kidding? The material is very solid, very, very like a little bit of a weight to it, so I feel like it's good quality. We do have pockets. Oh my gosh, I just feel like amazing in this. This is great. And I like how high the crop is, because again, I don't know if you've seen, I can't remember what video, but I always try to wear, if I'm doing a crop top, I raise it up, because down here we ain't cropping. This is my problem area. This is my pasta problems. The pasta sits down here, not up here. So that's why we like to show this part. So really, I always say I challenge it. Like, no matter what body type you have, for the most part, you should be fine on the top. I always love seeing that. Every body, every shape. I just think I always love it. I appreciate all sizes and all styles. I think it's so nice to see when people really put it out there and try. So I don't know how we got there, but I love this dress. I'm obsessed with this dress, and I'm not going to keep it. It's too expensive. But if there's a good sale, guys, you should always track, because there's sales all throughout the summer. If you love something enough, hold it in your cart. If it doesn't, it's not meant to be, it's not meant to be. If it gets sold out, that's okay. It can come back around. Sometimes through Poshmark, things like that. That's what I do. If I really love something that's way too much money, I just kind of hold out. But here we are. What do we think? love, obsessed, keep at a sale price. Quick interruption. If you are still watching, maybe you like me, maybe you like my channel, maybe you like what I'm saying. I don't know. But you can follow my camera with me here and there. But if you haven't already, please subscribe. It helps me more than you even know. It helps me just stay on this channel week after week, whether you're watching me on your phone, your computer, or your TV. It helps keep me here with you just constantly, and I appreciate it so much. So if you don't mind, please subscribe. All right, we have another one, small, and it's also $49. Let's take a look. Honestly, was not that into this when I saw it, but as I tried it on, I actually really liked it. So what do we think? This is cute. Honestly, this bag just makes everything look better. I don't know. So it is a little wrinkly, but the material is really nice. I think it is double lined, which I always find that is great. Straps, you do have the ability to adjust them, which I'm doing a terrible job of. Let me readjust here. But that is nice because I feel like I can secure it in place. It's always helpful if you have somebody around to do it for you. Alas, I have no luck. I am not doing a great job. But yes, this, once you have it tied correctly and tight, it actually really feels good on. So ignore that. We're just gonna function. But so cute, actually. This surprised me. I really thought this was gonna be poor quality and just not very good. But it actually fits very much so like a glove. Very true to size. And I like the material. It feels pretty like breathable. Not like thick, but not heavy. So that's really nice. And also this print. I mean, it's all about food on us, right? We have to have food in every shape or form on our clothing, shoes, apparel, bags. Like, I guess that's the theme this summer. But I mean, it's Lulus. I'm always like in love with Lulus. So I always feel like they just do a good job. They deliver better, and it's always just going to be a happy place for you to shop. Safe to say this one is a keep. All right, we have a red dress coming in at $59, size small. Let's take a look. Also, I thought I'd show you I switched out my Target sandals. I will link these as well. These say ciao, the other one said emote. Because we're having the summer of love, obviously. So this dress, I already have some thoughts, and I'll tell you. So actually, I like the idea of it. It's really cute, and I really want to like it, but we have some issues. The fit's not so great. It's very loose on the sides. So if you're like, chest hair, you might actually thrive in this. But someone like me, we're swimming, and there's no adjustable strap. Come on now. And if I was to size down, I fear that the bottom half would not be so great. So this one's just a leave for me. But again, it all comes down to your body type. But I'll give you a nice look. I feel like this would be a nice, easy throw-on dress to go do whatever you need to do, dress it up, dress it down, if the construction was better. So for me, it's gonna be a leave, because where am I going? Yeah, and I mean, the material's okay. I chose not to steam these today because I wanted you to see them right out of the bag so you get a better idea for the fabric, but I'm sure that with a little steaming, this would be fine. But yeah, it's a leave. Last but not least, we have this beautiful pink dress coming in at $69, size small, and it's exactly what you expect from Lulus. Let me show you. Are you kidding me? If you don't want this dress, I don't even know what to do with you. This one is so nice. I knew it. I knew it when I saw it, and I knew it when I got it. And that's how you know a dress is so good. Okay, let's talk about it. Ignore this. I'm wearing the wrong bra. Okay, so you need a better bra, but I love the construction. Let's talk about this part right here. It's got a corset type of vibe, which this silhouette's very in right now. I've seen this so many ways, but not like this. I usually see it with a two-tone color like black, white, but with the floral, this is so nice. And then you can crisscross this. I really did a poor job of putting it on, but then I'll show you the back. It's nice. It's very stretchy. It's a very nice material. It's breathable and double layered and just light and airy and waiting to go on a Tuscan vacation. I don't know. This just screams, take me on vacation somewhere sunny, somewhere beautiful, somewhere with lots of culture. So that's That's what you want this summer if you're gonna get anything from this haul, is this. And honestly, this bag, I don't know, but I wasn't sure. I was thinking about keeping this, but like, I love it. It is so cute, and it goes with every dress we've tried on today. Like, stunning. I just don't even know. All right, guys, if this is your favorite, drop a comment below. I have to know, do we love this, or is it just a like and I'm just overreacting? But I'm sorry, I'm too busy spinning around my room. This is great. All right, if it wasn't obvious, this is a keep. All right, guys, that's it for today's haul. I would love to know your thoughts. Do we love a good Lulu's haul, or is this tired and old? I need to know, because for me, it's always in my rotation of stores to check out when I need some good stuff for any occasion or travel, usually. But I need to know, did you like this video? Did you like anything from today's haul? Are you buying anything? Because I will have everything linked below for you to shop for your future travel plans. As always, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me stay on this channel week after week here with you, and I love it so much. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you at next week's video. Ciao.